and welcome. I have the Merry Christmas platter that goes with the coasters that I recently completed. And initially I was going to do the same design with the green and the gold, but I decided I wanted to try something different. So I've mixed up about 20 ounces of resin, and I'm going to use some pigment paste, some silver, red, and then I'm going to use some of the Let's Resin Ocean White, along with some of the Octopus Inks Enoki. So I'm just going to separate my 20 ounces of resin into some cups, pigment it, and I will be right back. Alright, my resin is now pigmented, so the first thing I'm going to do, I reserved about 4 ounces of resin that I'm going to pour some of that onto just the top of the mold. Just a thin coat is all I'm going to do. And then I'm going to give that a light torch. And I'm going to use a paintbrush just to make sure that all of that inlay gets the resin and I don't wind up with bubbles. And then I'll do another light torch. Alright, now that my clear is down and I have torched out the bubbles, I'm not going to just dump in the middle like I would probably normally do. I'm actually going to swirl my colors. So, just going to start in the middle by dumping, and then I'm going to just swirl it out. And then I'm going to follow with the silver, doing the same. Now I'm going to come in with the white and do the same. Go back to the red. Silver, white, and red. Silver. I don't have much more room. I'll get in what I can. And white. And then I'm going to just put a little clear in the middle. Give that a torch. And then I am going to take a new paintbrush and I'm going to just swirl a little myself. Do one more torch. And I'll now let this sit for about 15 minutes, 20 maybe, and I'll come back and torch it once again. And that's it. And then once it's cured, we'll be back to demold and see what I have created here, because I have no idea what it's going to look like. The platter is now cured and ready to demold. So let's see what we have. Okay, are we ready? That turned out very interesting. I'm gonna paint the inlay that's on here now and show you what it looks like when it's done. I finally finished painting the inlay. Wound up using this Miss Gooey, some can gel. I don't know where I purchased it, I apologize. It was probably off of AliExpress or something like that. But it was the only thing that I had that would actually show the inlay properly. But I think it turned out really pretty. I was showing some of my family and they'd said it looks like a candy cane. But I really like it. I'm very pleased with the final result. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos.